Trust me, this vacation packing list covers the major essentials you don't want to forget. While every vacation packing list ultimately looks different based on a variety of factors, the destination, travelers, budget, and more, consider this guided jumping-off point for the must-haves. You can also watch through to see more vacation packing lists for specific trips. Walking shoes, travel purse or bag, long-sleeved shirt, button-up shirt, t-shirt, packable jacket, evening outfit, reusable/foldable bag, camera, reef-safe sun cream, sun hat, swimwear, beach towels, flip-flops, water shoes, sunglasses. We hope that these lists will help you with your vacation essentials. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel so as to get updated content on our videos.